Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul. I have been going to Dollar Tree on the regular now, like at least once a week, and I frequent 2 locations and I'm looking for the LA Colors, that new Fox collection, but I've had no luck. I'm looking for the Color Vibe pastel nail polishes that are on the new Color Vibes display. No luck, but I still keep finding new items, or I just needed stuff. So I'm going to share those things with you today. Of course, the makeup shown today in this video will be a full face get ready with me video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I needed some household items, so I picked up the super heavy duty batteries AAA. These work in many of my devices, so I needed them. I needed a new potato peeler, so they have these from McCormick, $1.25. That's name brand. So it's got it on the handle there. Just needed a new potato peeler. I'm sure it'll work great. And of course I had to go down all the health and beauty aisles they have at Dollar Tree. I found a few items and I did need a deodorant, so I did pick up another Suave deodorant. They had typically been keeping the Tropical Paradise deodorant at my Dollar Tree. This time I found Coconut Kiss, and I love all the coconut scents, so I had to pick this one up, and I'm excited to try this new scent out. From the spa, these are new items next that I'm sharing. The Spa Luxury, and I wanted to try this and I hadn't found it in my store, but it's the Super Smooth Shave Cream Advanced Moisturizing Formula with Shea Butter and Aloe. It's 7 fluid ounces, and I did get this in the scent Coconut Cream. Big surprise, it has a pump bottle there. And this is supposed to be comparable to the EOS or EOS shave cream. Typically, I don't like thick shave creams because I feel like they kind of clog the razor, but I really wanted to try this stuff, and especially with, we're in spring now, summer's coming, and I want to try a new shave product, and hopefully it's a good one. I'll just keep repurchasing. They also had this in a lavender scent as well. So have you guys tried this? Let me know your thoughts. I am excited to try it out. I also picked up this was new to my store, and I've been looking for this for a while, and I finally found this in my store. I actually thought that this was going to be bigger, just judging from how it looked on the videos. I guess I should have looked at the fluid ounces, but I guess I should have looked at the ounces when they were hauling it. It looked like it was going to be bigger. Anyways, neither here nor there. The Vaseline All-Purpose Cream Cocoa Glow, and this says for soft glowing skin, 1.41 ounces. And this stuff smells amazing. I use this a little on my hands, and it is so thick, so creamy. This is going to be amazing. So I probably will just use this on my hands, possibly my feet. But I was excited to find this and try it. I was purposely looking for some colorful hair ties because I enjoy wearing my hair in braids. I looked for some and I found some. These are just the 20-piece elastics for $1.25. They are kind of in these, they're bright colors, but they're pastel-y muted colors at the same time. I really love these multicolored ones, and now looking back and thinking about it, I should have just picked up 2 packages of these so I could have doubles of the different color one. Maybe they'll have them next time I go back. Really cute stuff. Typically, I will say that these don't hold my hair. I have incredibly thick, naturally curly hair, and I have to buy the specially made ties or elastics for thick hair. But for braids, these are going to work just fine. And I was excited to find these because a lot of times I'm not able to find all these new collections and stuff in my Dollar Tree. Either it gets put out and it's picked over, or we just don't get it at all, I feel. I could be incredibly wrong, but that's just how it feels to me. But we did get the Power Stick infused with hydrating aloe vera and vitamin E. These are the face and body wipes in Paradise Breeze. You get 30 wipes, and to sit these on my makeup table for my face. I am excited to try these out. Now, if you want reviews on any of these items shown in the video today, definitely leave me a comment below. I will definitely use this. I will keep you updated. If you want to see full reviews, just let me know. I haven't even smelled these or anything yet, but I have high hopes. Cute packaging. Always like to try new face wipes out. So I'm so happy I found those. And before we get into the makeup, I found something that I know that I cannot fit entirely in this frame, but we will try. And this was, Connor and I went down the toy aisle, and you know how they have the coloring books and all that stuff nearby? Yes, well, I found the coolest coloring book I could ever find at Dollar Tree, and I'm so excited to share it. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, and I found this advanced coloring book at Dollar Tree. So excited. I'm actually currently reading, no joke, because I had a goal this year to read at least 25 books in 2025. Just start reading through some of my backlogged books. You know, that's another thing. If you guys are interested in seeing book reviews, let me know, because as soon as like summer gets here, I really read a ton. Yeah, if you want to see some book reviews, then let me know. I'm currently reading through the Harry Potter series, and I am on Prisoner of Azkaban right now. So I've already read the other two prior to that. So I'm on book 3. Another book, this is totally random and some of you probably don't care. I wanted to go back and read the book Hatchet. You probably read it around when you were in like 4th or 5th grade. That's when I first was introduced to this book. And it's a survival book of a boy who is stranded in the Canadian wilderness, and he has to fight, you know, to be able to survive and come home. So yes, I love it. I cannot wait to dive back into that book. So that's really cool. I had to share that. I bought that off eBay. I bought all the Harry Potters off eBay too. I had some of them prior, well, they were kind of messed up. I've had them so long, so I just re-bought them on eBay. Yes, all of them. So yeah, and did you know, if you have kids that are in school, those Harry Potter books obviously are on the AR Accelerated Reader program, and those books, the Harry Potter ones, are worth 12 and 14 points, 32 points I believe, and one of them, and Hatchet was worth 7, because Connor and I have been going through and kind of reading them together, and he took AR test on them, not the Hatchet yet, but the Harry Potter ones. And yeah, I got 12 points for the first book and 14 for the second book. Yes, and then the points just progressively get higher as you go on in books. Yes. Yeah, so a little tidbit you may or may not have wanted to know. Back to the coloring book. So this has stuff from Goblet and from Order of the Phoenix, looks like. Now, there could be other images, give or take. There's one I really like, if I can find it. Oh, I love the Luna one. The knights are cool. Oh yeah, I have to share this one. I love that they put the dragon in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of really cool images. Oh, this one. I love the one of Creature. It would have been cool if it was Dobby, but yeah, a lot of Luna stuff. It even has Umbridge. Dumbledore. Yeah, I'll see. Goblet and Order. So that's the coloring book. So excited to share that. It was a very fun find. Now for the makeup portion of this, I did find some really cool nail polishes. My store is still currently carrying the Sinful Colors. When I saw this fruity polish here, I was like, because when this collection came out, I could not find these in stores. I couldn't find them anywhere. And I wanted this kiwi polish here. I feel like the polish finally come full circle and found its way to me. I know, so ridiculous. But they had a bunch of these, and this green polish was paired up with many different shades in the store. And I tried to go through them and pick the shade that I would actually wear. So this is like a dusty purple, I would say. It does lean more gray than it does purple. It's almost a taupe, and the shade is called Spring Fling. Really pretty though. I'm getting ready to start working and filming some cottagecore nails, so stay tuned for that. And all the shades that I've been picking up lately will definitely work for that, except for this one. This is a bit bright. But basically, these are the Winnie's Fruity Blend Smoothie Texture. So this is a textured polish, but once again, that's not why I got it. Limelight. Oh, it's in lime. I don't know why I was calling it kiwi. Oh well. I didn't have my glasses on either when I hauled this, and everything's been in the bag until now. So yeah, I have glasses now. I'll insert a picture. Yes. It become harder to see my nail art and harder to read books, and those are two of my main passions and hobbies. So I was like, we gotta go get this taken care of right away. But it's a lime green with little, looks to be black specks of texture, probably like a sandy texture, thicker, glittery kind of thing. That's typically what it is. I will say I swatched this and it didn't feel that textured, which I'm really happy about because I'm not crazy about super textured polishes, but I will wear them if they're beautiful and have some beautiful glitter in them. So the next polish is going to be perfect for cottagecore, and this is a beautiful mauve pink shade, and it's from Candy Moyo, and it's $9.77. They don't have names, but this does have holographic glitter running throughout it. In this store, I thought it was just gold shimmers, and now that I see it in the ring light, it's most certainly hollow. So it has a rainbow shimmer to it. Oh my. This is going to be perfect for those cottagecore nails. Pastel is in, y'all. Look how gorgeous. Oh my. Oh my. So I did swatch those really quickly on the back of the packaging here of Sinful Colors. So there's the Limelight, Spring Fling, and $9.77. Don't sleep on these Candy Moyo polishes either. They are amazing. They have beautiful colors that you won't find in most drugstores. I'm really pleased. Now I will say that this being a texture polish, way less textured than the Candy Moyo one. I can actually see the texture of this glitter in the Candy Moyo versus that one. It's way more smoother. So just a couple of top coats and that'll take care of that. But beautiful, beautiful polishes. Really pleased with the polish finds. I just have two other makeup items, and outside of these I still am looking for a couple items. This time I did find some liquid makeup, even though I literally just hauled a pressed powder, but I wanted to try this because I found it in a shade that may work for me, and it's from LA Colors, and I have not seen or used this for years. It is a mess free pump. Cruelty-free, of course, liquid makeup, and this is in the shade Natural. And they also have like a true beige, and of course the darker shades. There is not a huge shade variety. I'm really hoping that this isn't going to oxidize badly, but I do remember using this in the past and it does. And it's going to be leaning super warm orangey. Unfortunately, these typically do. It is what it is. I still needed some more face stuff for Dollar Tree videos. So when I saw this, I thought, why not? I've already got concealers, I got powders now. Let's grab this foundation. We will most certainly make it work. And I will tone that out if I have to. So I'm excited to dive into that, because I am really hoping that it's a decent match. We'll see. We'll see. And then this item was on my wish list and I was looking for it, and it's from LA Colors as well. And this Bold Lash Defining Brush, cruelty free, and this plumps lashes, and this is in a Very Black. But I got this because I was watching a Dollar Tree video and they showed the brush of this, which you can see it on the packaging, but I didn't realize that it was one of those little tiny skinny brushes for like your lower lash line. And I stopped wearing lower mascara. Like I did not use mascara on my lower lash line anymore because I just didn't like it. I don't like my eyes feeling super close off. So I don't use black eyeliner even in my waterline because of that. The odor I've gotten, I just stray away from it. But lately I have been wearing mascara again in my lower lashes, and I thought this would be perfect, and I cannot wait to try this out. Cute packaging too. Now outside of this, I still need to find a decent black eyeliner. I'm looking for the Ioni black gel eyeliner, which I cannot find. And then I'm also looking for the LA Colors Fox collection, and I need a highlighter. I was hoping to find an LA Colors highlighter, but neither one of my stores have had any kind of highlighters lately. Pretty much have everything except for an eyeliner and a highlighter to continue Dollar Tree videos. I'm still going to continue them, don't get me wrong, regardless of adding a couple non-Dollar Tree products in there, because I really enjoy it and I have other dollar products and I know that you guys enjoy them as well. So we're going to continue on. So stay tuned for the makeup portion of this. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any comments or questions, want reviews on any of the items, leave them in the comment section below as always. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.